In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all emails at once in Thunderbird. Now to do this, first you want to open your inbox, so I'm just going to click on over here, or of course if you have emails inside the folders like this for example, you can also go and select the folder where you want to delete all the emails inside it, okay? I'm gonna go with the inbox over here, and then all you have to do is click either somewhere where there's empty space, or click on a random email once, and then press Ctrl and A on your keyboard, and when you press Ctrl and A, as you can see, it's going to select all of them, and all of them are highlighted with this bluish color. Now, the next step here is going to be to press the delete button on your keyboard, and when you do that, as you can see, it's going to go to the trash over here on the left. Now, to actually permanently delete these from trash as well, you want to right click and click on empty trash, and that's all you have to do to delete all the emails at once in Thunderbird. So, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.